Are you still relying on outdated lighting in your parking areas? If so, you are burning energy and money in the process. The right outdoor lighting can have a huge impact on bringing customers to commercial business centers. Bright, consistent lighting helps ensure the safety of both people and property and enhances the aesthetic appeal of any location. Introducing the new compact area light from Natural LED. This DLC Premium IP65 rated fixture, smaller, lighter, and more efficient, comes with 3 mounting types: the slip fitter, yoke mount, and pole mount that fits both square and round poles. Available accessories include the photocell and motion sensor. Maximize foot traffic to your business by improving the appearance and safety in addition to your bottom line. Learn more about the compact area light at naturalled.com.